Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a shop to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Now click on this website button below the Squarespace site you want to add a shop. Go to Pages, click on this plus icon next to main navigation and select Store. Select your store page template from these two templates. I will go with this one. Here you can give or you can edit your store name. For example, let's call it shop. Click on the enter button on your keyboard, and now you are in the store or shop page. Here you can add a product to sell, and you can edit or delete one of these pre-built products. To delete one, just click on these three dots and select delete. Confirm your deletion, and just like that, your product is removed. Now let's create a new product for our new shop. You can go between a physical product, a service, a digital product, gift card, membership website, video on demand, equity scheduling, course, or a blog. This is a new feature. You can monetize your blog and turn readers into paying subscribers. It's like having a paying wall on your blog. Let's go with a physical product. Give your physical product a name, for example, t-shirt. Here fill in your description. T-shirt product description here. You can add additional information like just like that. We will see how this show up on the front end. And under images, you can upload an image or multiple images for your product. I don't have a photo products on my laptop. I will go with these two photos. These are thumbnails for YouTube. Under inventory, you can set your product price, for example, $25, and you can enable on sale or not. And if you can provide a discounted price, for example, $90 for the stock. In order to be able to edit your stock, you need to check this option next to unlimited stock, just like that. Now you can set that you have only 100 t-shirts to sell. The SKU is generated automatically, and if your product has variants, you can add them just like that. For example, for size, you can select between size, color, material, or custom. Let's delete this variant and add a size variant, for example, small, medium, XL. Click on this save button, and this is your inventory. As you can see, our stock is 100 for every variant. You can edit your variants here, or the stock I meant. You can go, I have 50 here and 50 products here, and same thing. Click on back, and now your stock is updated for every variant. And you can organize your store or shop products by using categories or tags. You can set a category, for example, category 1, click on add. You can select this category for this product, click on done. Same thing with tags. And for selling tools, you can enable or select this product as a featured product to be displayed in summary blocks on your page. You can also add related products to these products or reviews. This option will open a new Chrome tab. Under marketing, you can select or edit your SEO. For example, click on edit. You can edit your product page URL. For example, best t-shirts best t-shirt, or you can also edit your SEO title and also the description that will show up in Google search engine, for example. Same thing with the social share. You can edit your photo that will be displayed if someone tries to share your products on social media. Just hover over save. Three options show up. The first one is save for later editing. You can click on publish to publish your product instantly, or scheduling for later publishing. For this video I will go with publish. As you can see, this is a duplicate tool. You can duplicate your products easily. Now this is my product photo, product title. I want to visit my online store now. Just click on this little arrow on this corner. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bainsexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And now this is your shop page on your Squarespace site. This is my new, or the products I just added. These are two photos, the product title, the original price, the discounted price, the product description goes here. This is the variant that I've added, and this is the additional photo, or the additional info shows up here below the photo. Now let's check my other products, my built-in products. Let's see this cup, same thing. And this is how to add a shop on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.